Here's Eli. He's going to jump onto the lamb. You ready? Go! Yay! Now, Lily, you jump. Okay, fix the lamb. Okay. Okay, get on there. You have to. We'll let Eli jump first, then he'll be out of the way. Ready? Here he goes. Yay! Now here comes Lily. The lamb is fixed. All right. Yay! Now Eli's gonna jump. Eli's gonna jump. Here goes Eli. You gonna jump? Woo! Yay! Now here goes Lily. Lily's gonna jump. Are you ready? You ready? You ready? Eli's waiting for you to jump. The music is fixed. Eli's waiting. He's waiting for you to jump. You're going to fix your own lamb. Yay! Well, you got to fix the lamb for Eli. Can you fix it for Eli? Lily, you took the landing pad. Go fix it for Eli. That's not fixing it. Fix it for Eli. He needs to jump. Yes, that was still a good jump. All right.